first couple coats of body filler just to kind of smooth things up. Really starting to take shape, come along. Got a lot more sanding to go. But as you can see, it's really starting to look like something. See about maybe getting this sanded out. Maybe try to pull this off today. One of the biggest issues is when I was setting all this up, the cardboard and everything I was happy with, but after laying layers and layers of fiberglass and resin, you see what's happened. It's not only distorted, but it's gotten kind of rounded. It's lost its definition. What we need is this. We need that hard lip. Dang. Came somewhere from right there. Boom. Just like that. I'm happy with it. I believe I can work with that pretty well for putting inside there. So I actually have me a Honda Civic body line